How to sell on StockX. StockX tutorial. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. If you love a good pair of sneakers, this is the video for you. If you want to sell a decent pair of sneakers, this is the video for you. So thank you for joining us, and let's get straight into it. StockX is a marketplace for a bunch of different things. So what we're going to have a look at today is how to sell on StockX, and we're going to use some cool sneakers. So the first thing you want to do is create a StockX account, and all you need is an email address, and you'll get through to this page right over here. And basically on the right hand side here, this toolbar will allow you to manage everything that you need to manage. So the first thing you want to do is there is a sell icon at the top right hand side. Now you can go ahead and tap on new listing, but before we do that, there is also a current listing and there is also pending sales. So if you go into current listings, you will be able to see all of your current listings, so you can actually see what it is that you are currently listing, so you can see everything on this one page. And then over here you have all your pending sales. This means that the sales process, you can see what stage the selling process is actually at. So what we're going to do here, we go into the sell icon, and once you do that, you tap on new listing, and it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. So what you can start doing here is you can start typing in your brand, and you can have a look at what sort of sneaker is available for you to sell, or what you have access to. So let's go ahead and have a look at this cool sneaker right over here. And as you can see, it gives you a very short and simple process. It says here's how it works. First of all, your first step is to list your item, and you can now sell it at the highest bid, or you can set your bid at an asking price, and if you want to sell it for less. Then also the second step would be then to ship your item within 2 business days. We authenticate and then we ship to the buyer. So that is fantastic for security for you, the seller, as well as the buyer. And then thirdly, the most important step is to get paid. So we release your payment as soon as the item passes verification, and once you agree to their cancellation penalties and all the other bits and pieces, you can tap on the I understand. Now once you tap on the I understand, what it basically does is it brings you into a page where you can actually see your item on the left hand side over here. It also gives you some information. So it has the name, and then it also has the highest bid, which is $614, and the lowest asking price is $400. So you can sort of gauge more or less what price range it's moving in between due to availability, and also where you are actually shipping this to. So first of all, yes, what you need to do is you need to choose the size, and the amount or the dollar amount on each size. As you can see, for example, the US 4, it does set that it's the highest bids, so that's the amount that you're actually seeing there. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to choose the appropriate size. Now let's go ahead and choose this US males size 10, and you can see now on the right hand side it says inventory is high and act fast. So there are 40 asks on this item. This means that the price is high, so the price is low, so you will probably get this or be able to sell this for a decent price. So over here, the highest bid at the moment is $532. You're about to sell the product at your highest bid. So what we can do here is we can actually change the price if you'd like. So what we do is you go ahead and you tap on edit, and you can actually change the price on that item. We're going to leave it at $532 right now, and then what you're going to do next is you're going to enter your billing information if you have not yet entered billing information. Basically that is where your money is going to go once you get paid, and then you have to add a return address. So if your product is returned, that is where it's going to be returned to. Also, if you have a discount code, you can add this in, but it is not appropriate if you are selling a product. And then what you're going to do is you can see over here, it gives you a total payout. So that is what you're going to be purchasing for, and that is what you're going to be selling for. If you just go up over here, and you can pretty much work out what sort of profit margin you're working with there. You're going to then tap on next over here, and it'll take you through to the next page where you can add your billing information, you can add your address information, and then you're going to just tap on sell. Now, I have not yet put my billing information or my return address information in, but from here it is relatively simple. What you're going to be doing is basically tap on sell, and then you can manage all of that from the page that I showed you earlier on, the pending. So if you go to sell up at the top right hand side over here, you can then see your current listings and your pending sales. So this is what they will look like. So all of your products will be listed right over here. There you go. If you want to sell on StockX, that is the quickest, easiest way to do it. Of course, the more time you put into learning the platform and also understanding, buying and selling, profit margins and markups, that also makes a great difference. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget you can leave it in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.